This is a really powerful Kundalini meditation for us to get out of depression so that we can truly experience the capacity for our life. This year has been all about our breath, and the breath brings us the opportunity to build more pranic, raw life force energy. The pranic body is our 8th body in the 10-body system, and the main way that we tap into prana, which is an energy that literally connects and attaches to the molecules of oxygen. And when we breathe these very specific practices of these yogic breath practices known as pranayama, we develop our ability to hold more pranic raw life force energy. And not only do we hold it within us, but we expand outward with it, with our auric field, our radiant body, and then all the chakras come online. Our brain is fully operational. Our nervous system is beautifully regulated. Our immune system is strong. And we are just like super extra. Everywhere we go, we're just like big, shiny lights that people are just, whoa, what's happening with that person? I want more of what they have. So this is what we're going to be practicing today. This is going to give you a direct calibration for you to deal with life and also have a direct relationship with your pranic body. So let's tune in. We're just going to tune in very simply, and then we're going to get right to it. It's just a 3-minute practice. We're tuning in with Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deep, hold the breath. Squeeze from the base of the spine upward, squeeze around the sacrum, lift the pelvic floor, squeeze around the spine. Exhale, feel that your Kundalini energy is rising. She is coming up, spiraling up, bringing chakras online. Let's connect everything with our arc line connector band, which is ear to ear like a halo, feeding it into our auric field, the energy field that hugs us and expands outward into the radiant body. Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodade name, Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodade name, Adigade name, Jugadagade name, Satagade name, Siddhigodade name. Inhale. Holding the breath, squeezing the body again. Expand your light. Feel this light filled with the light of truth, the frequency of truth, love, unity, peace, hope, beaming to infinity and beyond. And exhale. I'm grateful for the light team, always present and always with us. Sat Nam. All right, blessing this water, letting the water fill with the frequency of you and the frequency of the space that we've now created. Good. It's good to put your crystals, and maybe you have some special jewelry, you can put it out tonight. Even though there's not necessarily any light of the moon, you're going to have it, they will connect with the energy of the moon. It's good to put them into a place where they would not be underneath something, but rather they're in, under the cover of the night sky. All right, so I'm going to take my arms straight out ahead, parallel to the ground. I'm having my right hand close into a fist. And I'm going to take my left hand and wrap the fingers around the outside of the right fist and extend my thumbs straight up next to each other. I'm holding this parallel and I'm focusing on my thumbs with my eyes. And the practice is that I'm going to inhale for 5 seconds. No holding the breath in. I'm going to exhale for 5 seconds, and then I'm going to hold the breath out for 15 seconds. So it's inhaling for 5, exhaling for 5, and then holding the breath out for 15. All right, so look at your thumbs. It's literally like you have a sight line. As you're holding this posture, you can visualize in front of your thumbs as you're projecting it outward that one word that you fixated on, that you wish to create more of in this new moon cycle of this next 6 months. Holding steady, continue to breathe in for 5, no pause, exhale for 5, and then hold the breath out for 15 seconds. Hold steady, keep the eyes soft, but a steady gaze. Okay, we've got about 45 more seconds to go. This is a very quantum, fast acting and effective practice. Let's keep going. Holding steady. Let's do one more cycle. Good. Now inhale, close your eyes. And exhale, relax the arms down. Just let them rest in your lap. And just feel the integration of this really beautiful and very powerful practice to connect deeply with your pranic energy body, alleviating depression, which is low energy, and creating a very strong, very beautiful, fine-tuned calibration to deal effectively with life and have a direct relationship with your pranic body. Good, and then bring the hands together in prayer mudra, and we'll close with one long sat and a short nam. Sat nam, sat nam.